Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be showing you how to make the raspberry mojito. Now we'll be muddling the ingredients in this glass and finishing it in our hurricane glass. First add 4 raspberries. Next add 6 to 8 mint leaves. Next add 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. And muddle. Now pour the ingredients into your hurricane glass. Next add ice. Next add 1 ounce of raspberry syrup. Now add 2 ounces of your favorite rum. And top with club soda. Now use your mixing glass to mix the ingredients. Finally garnish with a lime wheel, fresh raspberries, and a mint sprig. And that's how you make the raspberry mojito. Cheers.